What's going on YouTube? My name is Justin Shanholtzer. I represent Maryland's #1 RV dealership, Beckley's RVs. And today we're gonna be doing a quick walk around on this 2021 Keystone Springdale 1790 FQ. This is a 21.5-foot long travel trailer that can sleep up to 3 people, and it has 1 slide out. Should be virtually towable by almost any mid-size to large size SUV. Stay tuned to see what we have to share. So on the front passenger side of your trailer, you've got a quick connect for a solar connection. This is going to give us the ability to grab a hold of a portable solar panel, plug right into this, and that'll help trickle charge our 12-volt batteries. So if you decide to use this off grid, that'll prolong our camping stay. Now, down below, y'all can see they have a very nice size pass-through storage. It's unobstructed and it's very nicely finished off. So you've got plenty of space to be able to throw in all your camping gear and or necessities. Now, if y'all see, I love the size awning that's up top here. It is a powered awning and it works off the battery. So it's got some cool little fancy LED lights and just a really neat kind of setup. But if y'all see down below, they also give you a quick little outlet. So that outlet could be used for us being able to hook up like an outside refrigerator, or maybe we wanted to end up hooking up an outside skillet. Just a ton of flexibility that we could use outside underneath of our awning. And then I love these solid steps. So the solid steps just simply connect and or touch the ground there. So just gives a little bit more stability when we're entering or exiting out of the trailer. And these actually just flip right up and into the entrance door of the trailer in order to stow away for travel. And close right off. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna show you what's on the other side of this. All right, so we're standing on the back side of this Springdale. Y'all can see they provide you a spare tire directly from the manufacturer. You may be even able to add some additional components back here on the back of the hitch, unless it was like a storage rack or possibly maybe a bike rack. Just a ton of good flexibility and options back there. Now right over here, y'all can see they give you a connection for cable. So this trailer does not come along with a TV, but if you wanted to add your own TV inside, if the campground permits, you guys could plug right into their cable TV and be able to watch that inside. Now, if we can move around here, this is on the off-door side or your driver's side of the trailer. This is just the back of your water heater. But down below, that's gonna be your connections for your black and for your gray tank. And then directly up above that is gonna be the electrical system for us to be able to plug in 110-volt power. Now we can keep moving and I'll show you what's on the front half of the trailer. So right up front here, they give you your water connection. So this is your city water connection. So if we're plugged in at the campground, you'll be able to hook right up to this and use their pressurized water in order to use the water inside. Or you could fill up your fresh water tank here. So if we're going boondocking someplace where we need to bring our own water, we'll be able to fill up that fresh water tank all from right here. And this is just the other side of that front pass-through storage area. So we're standing inside of the Springdale, and I wanted to show you all the first thing that catches your attention as soon as you walk in, and that's the booth dinette. So this booth dinette has some storage underneath of both seats. It's also a very good size for us to be able to convert this into a bed, but I wanted to slide in here and show you what kind of space that we have here. So I could easily sit 2 people here very comfortably, maybe up to 4 people. But the nice thing with this, as mentioned, is it's really a couple style trailer, but you could sleep up to 1 additional person, as the overall length of this is probably just shy of around 6 feet or so. So a really good kind of setup here. Now, I want to show you all what the kitchen looks like, because this is very difficult to come by in a small size trailer like this. Large refrigerator. So a lot of them do what's called like the dorm type refrigerator. Instead, this thing actually has a full size refrigerator plus also the freezer up overhead. So great space there. And then if you all transition over to here, they give you a little 2-burner cooktop, a very good sized sink with a little bit of a rustic kind of feel, looking faucet that's there. Right up above, you've got a microwave and then a good sized little storage cabinet that's right there. And then some plenty of storage down below. So I want to show you what the bathroom looks like. So come on in here, we'll check it out. So the bathroom is a great size. I'm gonna go ahead and step inside the bath or in the shower here. So I'm about 5'9". As y'all can see, my head does touch here. So there's no skylight, which means if you're a taller person, this might be difficult to shower in, but otherwise, plenty of space. And then down below, you've got your toilet that's there. And we'll show you guys what the other half of this looks like. It's got a good sized sink, along with plenty of counter space directly to the left of that sink, and then an awesome sized medicine cabinet directly above that. So if y'all want to follow me up front here to the bedroom, so this is awesome. If y'all see, this is my favorite part about it. You can actually walk around both sides of the bed. It's not shoved all the way up against the wall where you have to slide in and out of that bed. But the other thing too is you can actually make the sheets up front here, make your bed in the morning. So if you make your bed in the morning, I'm a little bad with that. But I want to show y'all, they got some, some good sized storage on both sides. These are both hanging closets, and then they give you some good space up top here for you to be able to maybe do some folding clothes, or perhaps maybe get a little bit of small plastic bins. But also underneath, there's a ton of storage underneath of here too. So it's a great size. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this so far. I know this is kind of quick, but ideally just want to show you guys overall what the fit and the feel is of something like this. And I can tell you, when you guys see these videos, it's very difficult to get a good feel on what the real size is. So we'd love to invite you out here to the dealership, but please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, my first name is Justin. I represent Beckley's RVs. If you guys would like to call in or reach out to us, you can contact me directly. Otherwise, all of our information will be down below. Take care and have a great day.